So hey guys, and I'm Vineet here, and we are having another video in Norway, and today we are going to the kite tour.
Kayaking, man, kayaking.
Kayaking. He's not Indian, okay? He's from Mauritius.
Yeah,
he looks the same. And here's one
I'm
more.
from Mauritius.
So we are the whole crew going whole.
Et je parle français.
And I don't know like how it will work.
Je
We
parle
are
français.
still
Il ne parle pas le français. Il est un fils de pute.
he's a fucker, so don't care about him. But we are going for the kite tour, and I don't know like where we will see.
Okay, come with me, please.
This is Mungli.
Maar dan is het met 4 personen.
So we are here for booking the kite all together.
Moi, je parle français.
I don't know what language he's talking, but he's stupid.
Il est un fils de pute.
Stop it. And here's Marco. If I don't know how to swim, he will save me. Okay? if he don't save me, you can kill him later.
The difference or get back the difference, so it's not a problem.
Maybe we take it for 1 hour and then the extra it's just
But
5 euro.
I'm saying like at least go for 2 hours.
1 hour is enough because we can
It's
go and
reserved
see.
for 2 hours, so
Yeah. 2 hours is okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Then come. We have to
Rexon
pay.
is coming for me. You are covering Marco,
Yeah.
and he's covering him. So because it's really everyone is paying, it's not
Yeah.
good.
Then we come inside, please.
Cash है ना? कि card ले दे
Cash?
cash?
The card, the card.
Let's say cash.
Yeah, look, cash egal. For me, I will pay with card.
तो 2 जन का 15 है ऐसा है क्या है?
I don't think they have euros.
Pay by the card. Pay by the card.
They
Yeah, it's
don't.
better we pay with
Yeah.
the card as well
Yeah.
by the card then. Right.
Do it fast. You don't have much time.
आया मैं.
We go inside.
So we got to know the prices, and then the prices are like 15 euro for one boat. So 2 people, one boat, 15 euro is 7 euro something, and it's really nice. And if you want after 1 hour, like 1 hour for 15 euros, and after 1 hour it's around 5 euro per hour or something. But we need I think for 2 hours minimum.
Meeting point कहाँ पे? Where is the meeting point?
Just wait for me.
Okay, you will take us.
I will take you.
Okay.
And 10 for one more boat.
Okay.
Nein, das sind 14 andere.
I'm outside. Wrong side.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we got our ticket finally, and this ticket is saying destination Eidfjord, blah, 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 and it's in the Norwegian money. It's not euro. 200. It's fine.
You have to go here.
That's good.
Only Marco. What's doing?
Where जाएगा?
But we can go from the front also.
Okay.
One for each.
Marco, you want a small one or long one?
Take the large place.
Long.
You can go faster.
अरे
with
उसको
the long
बंद
one.
कर बाद में या?
And then choose
We don't
the
want the
best.
lap rope.
No,
We
it's
are
mandatory.
Yeah, I know, but we are using this too much.
We are going to.
It's okay.
You are not going to leave if you don't have clothes. And if I see you without them, I will swim and put them on.
Wow, I'm not wearing it. I am not wearing it. I want to eat a swim.
Where can we keep our belongings?
You can give
Vineet,
me.
you don't know how to swim, man. You need this the most. Vlog में आना चाहिए.
This is maybe too small
Yeah.
for you. This is for children.
I think this one is what we need.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is for 50 kilos.
This is for 90 plus.
Guys, you can remove your belongings and give it to keep it here. We can keep it
Yeah,
here.
this is fine.
Yeah, we have to keep it here.
Yeah, you can keep it to me.
I'm
It's
waterproof.
It's safe.
Okay, then it's
Drill, my friend, drill. Drill, drill. Come, come.
IPM drill, IPM drill.
Where is that?
What's it does? Okay.
90 plus. What is 90 plus?
90 kilo plus.
What is my?
Why I got 90 kilo plus? I don't have 90
They're
kilo.
all 90 kilo. Mine also.
What is this one? How much is this?
So I have this life jacket. I have experience with life jacket. Okay. I've been
And this one?
okay. So
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Marco, I need your words. So if you are my savior, if I something happens.
Easy.
Ah,
We will
I
survive.
got you.
Hopefully.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
What about can we?
Oh, this is a small adventure, you know.
A bit.
So let me.
You are in the lane.
No, it's something only one person one. Yeah.
One person.
One left, one right.
Thank you. Oh, what should I?
Oh, this is nice. So I hope I'm looking nice.
Red and white. If you take anything else, I will be extremely mad.
Ah,
So
What do you mean by anything?
the boats.
yeah,
Yeah.
you need to
Red
have
and white.
Red and white canoes. There is a brown building just behind the
you
knowledge
come
boat.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, and you just walk there, untie the canoes, check that the plug is on.
Can you
Yeah.
come with us?
I can also come.
Okay,
just
that's
a
good.
I
second.
know what to do.
No, but it's nice.
You keep this here?
I will just hold them for like 5 seconds.
It's okay if you don't have time. I did it many times.
Okay, yes. So I will
Don't stress.
I can
We
just
can
show
do
you.
it.
Come, come, come.
So we are partners today.
Yes. Let's rock it.
There is a brown building.
Again?
You just walk behind the brown building and
Yeah.
you see those red and white ones there. You can see them.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and just untie them and take them and check that there is no water inside and that the plug is on.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we are going for the kite tour finally. I never did it before, you know. This guy's experienced, so I hope he will help me out a
Yeah.
bit. And I'm a bit nervous. I don't know why, because I.
When you are
So we have somewhere. Sorry.
when you are on the boat until I think after 2 minutes everything is natural.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But I told already them that we will have some videos from drone if it is possible.
Yeah.
So we will try
we will
that.
Try.
What they said? What she told us?
Red and white, right? Ah, over there. Over there. That one.
Seriously?
Yeah.
मेरे साथ कौन आ रहा है?
आजा आजा.
वैसे खींचना. What? The plug. This.
नहीं है. मार्को.
बैठने का कैसा
हम जो भी.
ये स्पाइडर है ना इसमें तो
Go in, I will help you.
वो तू आगे जाओ मैं पीछे बैठता हूँ
नहीं मैं जा रहा हूँ माफी
अबे go with Marco.
तू आगे जाना
Please come.
तुम्हें क्या आता है? Look at he was.
Yo, let's go.
मैं kayak कर रहा हूँ.
So I'm going now.
Schau mal. Ah, das geht so. Ja.
Ui! Don't.
So.
Okay.
Okay. Now you are on the
On
you're on
the
the right side, okay?
right side here.
That's good. And then I'm on the left side pushing.
Okay.
Just be straight with your body.
I have to. First camera is gone.
Now
Okay.
turn it it around. Turn the paddle. Yeah, like this.
Like this. But it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, we're stuck here.
I'm gone.
Okay. And now slowly.
I'm doing with one hand,
And
paddling.
paddle with both hands.
Okay. I have to do with both.
Or you
hands.
do nothing, and I will do it that we can get out here.
Okay. I do nothing?
Yeah, just let me get out here. Put the paddle inside the water. Okay.
Oh, wait, don't fall. A bit, just to make movement. I will give you a bit trouble.
So guys, we are in middle of the place in the this lake, and it's really cold water.
Okay.
And no! And we are all here. Make it selfie. Okay, we will make one selfie. Go a bit forward for selfie, because otherwise Deepak will cut. Oh, so I'm a bit tired with this kayak. This guy is professional, okay? Super professional, and we are still in the water, like really. And this is Prima here, and then we are in the water. We've been to the next, not next, but we went to half, and the guys are really tired, and then we think about moving from here, and then now we are moving. But I don't know where to place the camera because of this mic and everything. It's really hard, and join him because I don't think it's a nice idea that to go let him alone. But I wanted to make the whole video. Next time I think I will buy this helmet things and everything, because you need it. The shoulder strap, and what else? Oh fuck! I have water inside. Fuck. So I am completely wet with the water, because the waves are a bit harder than before, and there are these people somewhere there. You can't see with my eyes. So I hope we will survive. Marco, do we survive?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, okay.
95%.
And if I get down in the water, and this water is really like drinkable, you really nice sweet water, really sweet water with the fjord, but it's really cold. So we are middle of nowhere. Actually, it's not true. We came from a bit far. I can't place camera somewhere, so it's really hard. And now we are going toward the place, and I will help Marco to get through the shore. This is nice, but we have to move. Yeah. Okay. It's really hard. Marco, man, it's really hard. Sorry, we are really nearby now. Reach the port. I don't have energy. We are going. So finally we came ashore, and there was, the weather is rough, but my friends are going again back. They want to make some videos. The drone was not possible, even the camera was not possible, so drone was nice. Now we are going back to the ship. We have to change the clothes, and I'm completely wet. I have to go to my cabin to change my clothes, and then we'll see. So this was a small video. I wanted to see this. This is my first time I did this tour. It's a bit hard, really hard for doing this if you're doing first time. So I'm really tired. So we will see us next time. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will come next video. So this was a small tour in Eidfjord. Ciao.